Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable preview links in Microsoft Outlook web app or the web browser version of Outlook. Let's get started. So what is a preview link? I'm sure some of you watching this video have seen this or experienced this before. You're in the middle of typing your email and you paste a domain or URL into your email, and this preview, or what Microsoft deems as a preview of the URL, shows up, which can sometimes be frustrating because it pops up and can disrupt the flow of the email. Now, some of you might like that. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to disable this. So again, this is what a preview link looks in Outlook web app. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings, or find this gear at the top right. At the very bottom, you'll see view all Outlook settings. And then find the compose and reply link here, scroll down, and you're going to see this preview links checkbox here, and just uncheck it, save, and that's how easy it is to disable the preview links in Outlook. Again, it's a preference thing. For me personally, I don't like having those preview links in there. It feels disruptive to creating the message or the email that I'm writing. So that's how easy it is to disable preview links in Microsoft Outlook web app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been beneficial. If you want to learn more about our products and services in our company, you can visit us at penpublishing.com. If you are on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified as we release more of these videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time.